Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to open Activity Monitor on your MacBook and give you a quick tour of how it works. The fastest way is using Spotlight. So just press Command plus Space and type Activity Monitor and hit Enter. Once you open it, you'll see different tabs at the top. First, we have CPU. This shows how much processing power each app is using. And below, we can see the graph of the CPU load of your laptop. Next, we have memory, and this shows how much RAM is being used by the applications on your laptop. Next, we have energy. This shows which apps are draining your battery and the energy impact of each application when you use it. Next, we have disk. This shows read and write activity on your storage. Now, lastly, we have network. This shows internet usage for each app when you use it. If your Mac is slowing down, you can always check here in Activity Monitor and even force quit apps that are using too much power. You can also open it through Finder. So first click Finder, Applications, Utilities, then open Activity Monitor. And that's it. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.